If you want to remove a community on X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to leave any community in just a few seconds. This is useful if you no longer want to see posts from a specific group, if a community is no longer relevant to you, or if you simply want to clean up your X experience. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open X on your browser or in the app, and make sure you are logged into the account that is currently joined to the community you want to leave. Once you are on the home page, look at the left sidebar menu. In that menu, click on Communities. This will take you to the section where all of the communities you are part of are listed. Now, browse through the list and click on the specific community you want to leave. This is important because you need to open the community's main page before the Leave option becomes available. Once you are on the community page, look for the Joined button. It usually appears near the top of the page, and it shows that you are currently a member of that community. Next, hover your mouse over the Joined button and then click Leave. On mobile, the process may appear slightly different, but the main idea is the same. Open the community, find the joined status, and choose the option to leave it. After you confirm, you will no longer be a member of that community, and it should disappear from your joined communities list. If you ever change your mind later, you can usually rejoin a community again, depending on its settings and whether it is public or private. So, if you left by mistake, don't worry too much. You may be able to join again in the future. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove communities on X or Twitter by finding the community in the left sidebar, opening it, and clicking Leave from the Joined button. If this guide was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick how-to tutorial. Thanks for watching.